ay surprise po kay Lucas. So wala po siyang idea. Ang alam niya lang po, mag-a-attend po siya ng birthday ni CJ. Record surprise po. 1, 2, 3, go! Surprise! Happy birthday, Lucas! Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hindi mo kilala. Surprise ka ba? Na-surprise ikaw? Happy ikaw? Palapakon naman natin si Luca. Okay, so before we... Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Sige. Happy birthday, Kuya Lucas. Happy New Year, Kuya Lucas.
What can you say to Mami? Kasi si Mami nag-organize na to.